Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptos in Coinbase. It's super beginner friendly, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and log into your Coinbase account. If you haven't created one yet, head to coinbase.com and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Buy/Sell button at the top of the screen and click it. Before buying, you'll need to add a payment method. Coinbase gives you two main options. You can either use a credit or debit card for an instant purchase, or fund your account via bank transfer with a credit card. The crypto is credited instantly to your account, but the fees are higher, and your investment limit is lower. A bank transfer, on the other hand, lets you deposit a larger amount with much lower fees, but it might take up to 3 days for the money to appear in your account. Choose the method that works best for you. Personally, I prefer using bank transfers to save on fees, even if I have to wait a bit. If you choose bank transfer, select your preferred fiat currency, like dollars, euros, or pounds. Coinbase will generate a reference code you'll need to include in your bank's transfer form. Don't skip this step, or your funds might be returned. Use the bank details provided by Coinbase to send your money over. So once the funds hit your Coinbase account, you'll receive a notification. Now go back to your dashboard and click the Buy/Sell button again. Select Bitcoin or the crypto you want to buy. Don't worry, you don't need to buy a whole coin. You can start with as little as a few dollars. Choose your payment method like your currency wallet if you did a bank transfer and click Buy. That's it. You've officially bought Bitcoin on Coinbase. Congratulations! You now own your first digital asset and a piece of the future. Coinbase is a secure platform, but in a future video, we'll go over how to take your crypto security to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more simple crypto guides like this one. Thanks for watching.